Oh my God. My exhaust came in. AWE sent it in this huge box. Like, look at this thing. A cat, for reference. I think it's install day. But I have to take Alexis to the airport first, so let's go do that. Am I driving your car?
Yeah.
To the airport? Okay.
Yeah. That's okay.
No, that's fine. It's like 80 degrees out right now, and I'm in a hoodie because I don't like getting scratched. But step one is prep. Oh, hell yeah. Those are hot. And they sent me a sucker. Nice. Actually, so the first thing I'm gonna do is wrap this I'm gonna wrap the front pipe with the heat wrap. I heard it helps it out a decent amount. The website says you don't have to put it in water, but I'm just gonna do it anyway, just cause. So yeah, I'm gonna do that first. I'm gonna get the car out on stands now and the ramps. I wrapped the front pipe. I mean, it's not the worst job in the world, but it'll do. This will be the last cold start with the stock exhaust. I'm not gonna miss it if we're being completely honest, but here you go. Oh, I got her on the ramps and the jacks. Oh, it's time to do it, I guess. So step 2 is to get all these plastic bits off so I have access to the front pipe and the exhaust itself. But I have to, all these plastic pieces, oh, it's hard to show this on camera. All these plastic pieces and the oil pan and stuff, you gotta take out, and that should be it. I don't think I need to take out this heat plate. Step 3, put the new one in. I got the old one out. It was such a pain. I am so sore. This front pipe was so stupid. Oh my God. Everybody say shout out McLean. He helped me in. Oh my God, I can't even speak, I'm that tired. He helped me lift the engine and we got the front pipe in. Oh, that was terrible. I think I broke my car though. You're not gonna see this, so you're not gonna tell me if I broke it, but is that bar supposed to be so far out? Because it was a pain in the ass to get in. You want to hear the first startup before?
Yeah, let's do it.
Before it starts raining?
Let's do it.
Oh. I know, I didn't know. Look at the back of her. She's nice.
Oh, wow.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
That kind of sounds clean. That kind of sounds clean. I have two exhausts, but I can fix this.
And you got the whooshing too.
That's kind of hype.
It moves. I didn't know it moves.
Did it move really bad?
No, it just like
Did it?
you'll see it on the camera, I guess.
As you could probably tell, it's the next day. It started raining on me last night. I have to finish this up. I have to fix the exhaust and flip that upside down because I think I put it on the wrong way. Well, maybe not. Let's see. I'm gonna undo all these clips because I have a couple of leaks. And then yeah, that's basically it. A few updates for you guys. My downpipe flange thing fell off, so I had to go to the parts store and get a bolt. I bolted it on. It's fine, whatever. I thought I was about to be done, and then I over torqued the clamp, which it said a minimum of 60. I did 60. I don't know. Now I have to go get another clamp from the parts store. So, it's finally done. I finally got the plastic peeps back on. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get it off the jack stands and I'm gonna take you guys for a ride. I'm so excited. I haven't drove it yet, so super excited just to hear it on the road and see what it sounds like. So since I put it in, I don't know what it sounds like on the road, so I'm ready. That's clean. Oh. It has a nice raspiness to it. Kind of sounds pretty quiet too, so. Oh. There's a little bit of a rattling. I'm gonna have to fix that. That sounded so good. I left the throttle as I think I'm gonna end it off here for me. I'm gonna throw a couple sound clips at the end, before and after, so you can hear what it sounds like. Yeah guys, if you like the video, make sure to like it. It's my first video. I would appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.